So what is a good landing page? What's a bad landing page? I want you to start asking yourself this 3 questions. Number 1, is my landing page mobile optimized? There's a ton of traffic on Facebook that works perfect for mobile traffic. iPhone, Android. We want to make sure our users on those devices are being tailored to. So ask yourself, is this landing page mobile optimized? Through the past videos, you learned exactly how to check if your landing page is mobile optimized. Now the next question you want to ask yourself, how much information am I collecting from my user? For example, if you set up a Facebook ad and you ask someone for the name, email, and phone number, big red flags asking for the phone number. Now the more details you ask your customer for, they're less likely to continue through all the steps. You will get less conversions asking for more information. So what should you ask for? The name and email work perfect. Now keep in mind, if you're promoting a $2 offer and you get paid for an email, transition that user. If they're coming from Facebook and they see your ad and they go to your landing page which asks for the name and email, then the next page they go to the next step of the affiliate offer which asks for the name and email, then you're going to have not a lot of sales. You'd be lucky to break even on a funnel like that. So good funnels, bad funnels. Is your customer aware? Does your customer have to scroll all the way down just to get to the buy button? Did you decide to go with a short sale landing page or a long sale or an advertorial? Ask yourself these questions, but then ask yourself, why did you choose to go that way? I'm going to actually show you some bad landing pages. Believe it or not, people can make bad, ugly landing pages. And yes, they can. You can have a miracle and they can work. But let's analyze them together, and I'm going to show you some key points on some landing pages through some spying. Let's dive right in. So as you're building your funnel, you're going to run into 3 common questions. So take a look at this landing page from my iPhone. So you want to make sure all your landing pages look good on mobile. You're going to get a ton of traffic from Android phones, tablets, iPhones. So ask yourself, is my offer mobile optimized? Make sure those letters are not too big. Every detail counts. Every small variation is going to increase conversions. Now, how much information am I asking for? Ask yourself that, because when someone's coming from Facebook and you're trying to transition them into a buyer mindset, they're going to think everything's a scam. So with them thinking already everything's a scam on making an online purchase, we want to make that user feel comfortable. So ask yourself, how much information do I need to ask from the user to send them to the next step, aka the affiliate offer? And then lastly, how aware is your customer? Do you give them enough information on your Facebook ad that you do not have to sell them as much on the landing page? Did you decide to go with a quiz lander, a regular opt-in landing page, a short form landing page? So let's take a look at some landing pages. So take a look at this one. I set this up in about 15 minutes. I've never ran this teeth whitening LED accelerator, but quick landing page put together, claim your trial now. Now let's take a look at this landing page, free ebook reveals. So right here they have a brand name of the person. So if you have a logo, if you like that, you could actually put a logo at the top. I would say it's not necessary to have a logo here unless you have like a long form blog style advertorial landing page. Now right here, this as seen on, this is not needed, and this actually looks very unprofessional because if you look closely, it's actually like a dark blue back there, and this entire background is actually white. So it's very inconsistent. Then when we look here, 100 ways to make money online, this ebook is actually really big, but pay close attention to right here. They put bold in almost everything. So writing, and then they didn't even bold the or, proofreading. So clicks on ads, and much, much more. So I can tell that a beginner had made this landing page just from signs of this. And then let's just click right here. I don't see any terms of service. I assume they're not running Facebook ad traffic, so I don't see any disclaimers here. And also, this is a free book, will be instantly set to the email address submit above. So this landing page would be bad. Do not make a landing page like this. So now here's another example of an ebook landing page. So right here, the color scheme is very consistent. Entrepreneur Magazine, New York Times. A lot of that can some of the times be real, a lot of the times it can also be fake. So look here, They have the bullet points. Everything's consistent. Look at this green check mark with the green on the ebook here. Free book reveals. Not too strong on coming to the user. So as you're building your landing page, you may actually want to use an ebook to give to customers. It's not required. I've made thousands not even using an ebook. If you want to have an ebook, it can be beneficial. It's not required. You do not need an ebook. But this is actually a great example. So look right here on this call to action. Yes, Femi, send me the free report. So if we go back to here, it just says send me this free ebook. So I'm assuming when this says yes, Femi, it's actually like yes, Femi, as in whoever owns this landing page, let's just say Femi. And if the Facebook page was named Femi and Femi is running Facebook ads, this is very consistent. So if Femi was teaching people how to make money online, Femi is sending the ebook. So that's my conclusion with that, why it says Femi. So this book will change your life. Get your copy now. I really like this lock right here, so your information is secured. So as soon as I click this, it says almost there. Please complete this form. So this actually looks really good. They have the progression bar, so the user feels that they're making progress. And then they're collecting the name and email. So let's check out the next one. So right here, this landing page is very simple. I could say this landing page was probably put together in about 5 minutes. They grabbed the logo and they put it in right there for an image. So get my step-by-step video training system for earning 6 figures passive with e-commerce Shopify on autopilot. For free, yes, for free. So right here, just put in the email below. So as you see with the name, they have an icon right there. They also have an email. So what I do like about this landing page is this color is consistent with the actual e-commerce logo color. Now what I would do is actually split test a background, maybe a relaxing background on a yacht or something just relaxing instead of having this white background. But overall, this landing page would probably do okay. I would say it probably would get, if you sent 100 people here, maybe 30 people would put in their email address and their name also. And I do not like this ClickFunnels look. There's actually, you may not be able to see it because my camera's right here, but there's a ClickFunnels made with ClickFunnels logo on the bottom right. That's also a big no. So let's just take a look at this next one. So right here, get yours free. Now you could tell whoever made this landing page did not put any work. If we look right back over to mine, although I put this together in 15 minutes, you could tell some progress was actually made. But when we look right here, this is awful. So do not make landing pages like this. And now look very closely. Do not make this mistake. Copyright 2014, your awesome company. So you do not want this there. You can put copyright 2014 Red Tea Detox, the offer that you're promoting. Make sure you have the links working properly. But what happens 9 times out of 10 is a lot of people overlook this small area right here. So make sure you do not overlook that right there. Make sure you change that out or you take it out. So this is actually a bad landing page. Discover the top 10 ways to change your financial situation. Only 5 days. It's crazy. I do not like that ad copy either. So now let's take a look at this. Now this landing page is very interesting because it's just asking for the email. Get email now, free download. I actually do not like this email. I wish if they used an email like this that they actually had a little bit of a background, maybe a darker box right here. But it can always be tested, but this to me looks very scammy. So ask yourself, is this mobile optimized? This would probably look pretty decent on mobile. And now how aware is this audience that he's actually marketing to? So be asking yourself these questions as you're analyzing your landing page. So as you look here, there's nowhere for me to scroll down. So that may also be a benefit in increasing conversions. So now take a look at this landing page. This is a ClickBank landing page that we looked at a little bit ago. So the world's largest collection. Now think about how you could model this. And now look at this call to action. Watch this video to the end to get full access. Now if this was your landing page, you could say, watch this video to the end to get exclusive discounts. And then also you could have a link right here. And if anyone clicks there, a click pop-up pops right up, just like we saw on this landing page here. Let me bring it right up. So just like we see right here, as soon as someone clicks that link, this will pop up. So keep in mind, you always want to be split testing, but this landing page would work well if you wanted to use it as a pre-sale page to get people to an offer like this. So here's another example. Red tea detox, very popular. Now look right here, discover the secret West African tea. So this is very aggressive when you say discover the secret. So this ad copy is a little bit aggressive, so I would try to make the ad copy a little bit more friendly. Proven to stop hunger cravings in their tracks. So what I would actually do is just go to the affiliate area of this actual product and then see if they have any templates or any emails or any other landing pages that we could find something potentially to work. So with this, I would screenshot this and then put that on a landing page and then run some tests with some red tea images on the landing page and some call to actions. So now keep in mind, no matter what affiliate offer that you promote, if they have a video sales letter, they have spent a ton of money. This red tea company, they have spent a ton of money split testing landing pages before they even put products on ClickBank. A lot of these companies want to make sure they're working. For example, ClickBank, Max Bounty, Cash Network, Above All Offers, Grab Ads Media. Anybody who puts an affiliate offer into these networks, if they're running a video sales letter just like this, they want to make sure it's converting before it even goes. So we can take a lot of inspiration from the owners who run these sites right here because they know it converts, so we can model this for our landing page.